Hello guys, welcome. This is Encisso Art Academy, the art academy for those who have the insatiable need to express themselves through drawing. My name is Alexander. Okay guys, so in this chapter we are going to talk about the constructive lines. The constructive lines are the foundation of our portrait and will help us to solve three major problems. The problem of the perspective and the gesture, the problem of the proportion of the face, and it's going to help us to simplify the anatomy. Okay, so let's look for each step more closely. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the perspective. When we start to draw, one of the most difficult problems is to draw our character with the proper perspective. In this step, we will learn to create the gesture lines. These lines will help us to draw our character with more precision, and it's going to help us to visualize the perspective of the head. Once we solve the problem of the perspective, we are going to learn how to create a facial recognition mask. This facial recognition mask is going to help us to solve the problem of the proportion. Each person has unique proportion on their faces. Facial recognition software identifies each person's own pattern to create a mask. This is like a fingerprint of the face. In this chapter, we will learn how to create our own facial recognition mask. Once we solve the problem of the proportion, we are going to learn how to simplify the most important structure of the face, the internal structure, in simple volumes. We got three major internal structures that influence the appearance of our character. The first one is a layer of fat, the internal fat that is between the skin and the muscle. The second layer is the muscle. These interact with the skin of the face to create the expression. And then we got the skull. The skull has several major structures that influence the external appearance of the face. For instance, we got here the superciliary arches and the frontal eminence. This structure of the skull influence the external appearance of the forehead. Okay guys, so in this chapter we are going to learn how to create this net of constructive lines that will help us to create our drawing. Okay, I see you in the next chapter. In the next chapter, we are going to go deeper in each step. I see you later. God bless you. Bye.